Honestly, if you ask me, I don't know what Evelyn thought she was trying to do when she goes to speak to Stogo. Because in her heart of hearts, she actually believes that she can persuade Ustoko to move away from a man. A man! Move away from a man! If there's one place you don't want to play at is letting another woman tell you not to date who. She is just playing with fire. So now Evelyn decided to go and speak to Stoko regarding her relationship and said, you know what, the man that you're dating is fraud, it is scam, and you shouldn't be dating him. Actually, I don't believe that you actually trust him to a point that you can even share some love with him. Because this guy hired that other guy who happens to be Shongwe's associate. And now, I'm sure he did not tell you about that, but it does not take a genius for one to put one and one together to see what is currently happening. And which is true. But what is it that she has against Maungwa? Now, on the other side, Ustoko was fuming, saying, you know what? Unenkinga ke wena dali. Unenkinga, inkinga enkulu, because what where you are, wena umntanakho uyabona ubolele jele. And so that you want now to come and tell me ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing Skeem Saam Madekwana. Sanbonan Abshin Molweni Minjani Hipukile Hinkongwina. So namutlha ka nongonoko wa hina wa Skeem Saam hikuma ku ri swilo a tshamisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that uMantuli tells Ustoko to leave Alfred Mahungwa alone because Mpumi is not going to leave her alone. People will keep on writing things, and for as long as she's still attached to the Mahungwas, then she will still be the talk of the town. Pretty now walks on Lihasa. Lihasa is having a deep conversation no Malume, and that conversation was just turned into something else, and it's like it's about her wording, and but for some unknown reason she can put two and two together. But for real, I still don't see Lihasa and Pretty's love of love. Like, and Baboni Batandana, yes, they're tandaning, they're getting married, but I don't see them. For there's couples that are in love on TV, and you feel like, yeah, these ones are in love. These ones I just see two workers or two brothers and sisters. Anyway, the unboxing video is expected out of Charles Ganuti because the Maposanat sent an unboxing video and it's needed urgently. And unfortunately, Charles does not even know what is an unboxing. Now he relies on information from Abantwana Bake to tell him what needs to happen. Interesting, isn't it? It is. Principal decided to go and call a staff meeting where he was announcing that they do not have non-fertilization policy in the school, so they are actually dating, and abantu abadala sebayazi ngayo, so everybody can just shush. That made Evelyn to be so upset and so livid, to a point that she even left out and saying, oh, quick. And then Evelyn had a conversation with principal. Oh, principal, wamshaya wathini.